These 7 scientifically proven spider plant benefits will make you the fan of this low maintenance houseplant. As interesting as its name, these spider plant benefits are wonderful and can make you a fan of this plant. Ornamental indoor plants in hospital rooms enhance health outcomes of patients recovering from surgery. Spider plant and other indoor plants were placed in hospital rooms of the patients recovering from surgery. It was observed that patients staying in plant rooms had positive effects compared to those who were kept in rooms without plants. Lower systolic blood pressure and lower ratings of pain, anxiety, and fatigue were recorded. If you are a serious serial indoor plant killer, spider plant can end your streak. It thrives on neglect and can adapt to various climatic conditions easily. It's a very forgiving houseplant and doesn't mind the occasional mistakes of overwatering and underwatering. It grows in both low light and part sunlight, although we suggest to place it at a spot with bright indirect sunlight. Plants improve the breathing habitat for humans, and spider plants are no exception to that. It's easy to understand from the simple fact that plants produce oxygen and we consume it. So having a houseplant like a spider plant at your workplace or home will naturally increase the indoor oxygen levels. Another interesting point is that variegated varieties of spider plant produce more chlorophyll than other variegated houseplants, which means more oxygen production. Before choosing any plant to improve indoor air quality, it's crucial to know whether that plant is safe for your pets or not. Fortunately, one of the best spider plant benefits is that it is safe for pets. Spider plant was a part of NASA Clean Air study. It is more effective in removing carbon monoxide, formaldehyde, xylene and taurine. It is better than many indoor plants that participated in that experiment. This National Wildlife Federation article claims that spider plant removes more than 95% of toxic agents from the air. One of the spider plant health benefits to consider. Carbon monoxide is odorless, colorless and tasteless gas that doesn't cause any irritation. Incomplete combustion of carbonaceous fuels such as wood, petrol, coal, natural gas and kerosene produce carbon monoxide. In urban areas, the primary source of this pollutant is exhaust from motor vehicles, gas stoves, gas refrigerator, tobacco smoke, wood burning stoves, fireplaces and other fossil fuel burners raise carbon monoxide level indoors. Vital organs in our bodies such as the brain, nervous tissues and the heart need oxygen to work properly. As the level of carbon monoxide level rises, oxygen in the hemoglobin reduces simultaneously. It increases the chance of carbon monoxide poisoning in people suffering from chronic heart disease, anemia or respiratory problems. Lack of coordination, fatigue and concentration problem are also associated with raised carbon monoxide level as stated by the Department of Environment and Energy. Spider plant is effective in reducing indoor carbon monoxide level, which helps in decrease in fatigue, headaches, colds, sore throats, and flu-like symptoms caused by carbon monoxide exposure. WHO guideline for indoor air quality include formaldehyde in its list of toxic pollutants. This colorless, flammable, strong-smelling chemical is commercially used for making building products. Exposure in indoor places mainly due to urea formaldehyde resin is used for making adhesive of particle board wood. Brand new flooring, furniture particle board, paneling, cabinet, carpets, and mattresses raise the risk of formaldehyde exposures. Some other sources of formaldehyde emission are smoking, paints, cooking, cosmetics, fuel combustion from traffic, etc. Health risk of formaldehyde is that it poses a carcinogenic risk and causes nose and throat cancer, claimed by American Cancer Society and NIH. It can also irritate eyes, nose, throat, and some other severe breathing problems and allergies. When exposed to formaldehyde for 24 hours, spider plant reduce the formaldehyde levels by approximately 88%. This research detoxification of formaldehyde by the spider plant confirms it. Xylene is used widely as a solvent in many industries and also in medical technology, majorly used in printing, rubber, and leather industries. It is also available in a small amount in airplane fuel, gasoline, and cigarette smoke. Buildings with poor ventilation are responsible for raised level of xylene in indoor space. Irritation of the skin, eyes, nose, and throat, obstruction in breathing, diminished function of the lungs, slow response to visual stimulus, impaired memory, stomach discomforts are some of the ill effects of xylene exposure. Spider plant helps in the reduction of xylene from the surrounding environment. You are more susceptible to get exposed to this volatile chemical in the indoor space rather than the outdoor space. As a solvent, toluene is found in paints and other finishes, adhesives, automotive products, and also in some personal care products. Tobacco smoke is another way to get exposed to it. It is also added to gasoline, which means it can enter your nose from the smoke produced by vehicles, and even from the attached garage if you store fuel there. As per report, if your home is located nearby an industrial contaminated site, it can result in higher level of toluene. The nervous system is most severely impacted by toluene exposure. Some of the neurological effects in terms of short-term exposure include loss of attention and concentration, vision and hearing dilemmas, recalling problem, etc. Necrosis is a severe disease caused by long-term exposure to toluene. You can easily lower these risks by planting a spider plant. Spider plant removes one of the most harmful pollutants to mankind, particulate matter. These fine particles can go into your lungs and bloodstream and cause harm. It has been a well-known fact that spider plant can absorb nitrogen dioxide, has many harmful effects on human body. Spider plant also absorb ozone, which is becoming a general indoor air pollutant nowadays. Cars, trucks, and other fossil fuel burning devices can emit large amount of volatile organic compounds that leads to the creation of ozone. One of the spider plant benefit is it looks very appealing as a house plant. The best part is that you can plant it in a hanging basket or any casual pot. The spider lets it outgrow from the mother plant and appear as if the spider are dangling down from the pot. Enhances the beauty of this plant. Why do you like spider plant? Please tell me in the comment box below.